Hi, today's topic is about the future of e-waste regulations and what might be coming next for the laws that govern how electronic waste is managed and recycled. Let us look at where things stand and what changes businesses should prepare for. First, a quick recap. What is WEEE? WEEE stands for Waste, Electrical and Electronic Equipment. The WEEE directive is a European law designed to make sure electronics are collected, treated and recycled instead of ending up in landfills or harming the environment. Right now, businesses that sell or produce electronics must help pay for recycling and report how much equipment they put on the market. But times are changing. Electronic waste is growing fast, and new types of devices mean the rules need to keep up. So what changes are coming? Well, several updates are on the horizon. Stricter recycling targets. The European Union plans to raise recycling targets. Future rules could push for higher recovery of valuable materials, like rare earth metals found in modern electronics. This means recyclers and producers will need better processes to capture more resources. More products covered. More types of products could fall under WEEE rules. Smart devices, gadgets with built-in batteries, and connected electronics might become regulated, which would increase compliance responsibilities for manufacturers and sellers. Focus on reuse and repair. Future laws are shifting towards reuse and repair, not just recycling. The idea is to keep products in use longer and reduce waste at the source. Laws might require better access to spare parts and repair information so devices can be fixed instead of discarded. Digital product passports. One big change could be digital product passports. These would store details about products' materials, repairs and recyclability. The goal is to help recyclers and businesses handle products more sustainably. If this becomes law, manufacturers will need to track and share more data for every device. Producer responsibility. There is also talk about making producers more responsible for the full life cycle of their product. Companies might pay higher fees if products are harder to recycle or have shorter lifespan. This could push businesses to design electronics that last longer and are easier to recycle. While many of these changes start in Europe, other countries are watching and adopting similar rules. Businesses that trade internationally should keep an eye on regulations worldwide. So why all of this matters? Well, e-waste regulations are getting tougher because the stakes are high. Electronics contain valuable resources, but also hazardous materials. Poor disposal harms the environment and wastes resources that could be recovered. For businesses, staying compliant means avoiding fines and protecting brand reputation. It also supports sustainability goals that customers and investors increasingly expect. So, in summary, WEEE regulations are evolving. Stricter targets, broader product coverage, a push for repair and reuse, digital product passports, and higher producer responsibility will shape the future. Businesses should prepare now to keep up with new requirements that are transforming how electronic waste is managed. So stay informed, stay compliant, and see you in the next video.